Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In this video, I want to go over the week 10 results of my Ironfly trading bot over on Option Alpha. So if you were looking at the community section of my YouTube channel, you can see that there were no closed trades, so there was no profit, no loss for this week 10. I just have two trades that are open. You can see them right here. One is at $75, one is at negative $26. And you can also see, if you've been following along, that I've changed the color of the bot icon. And this is to reflect my change from the Flybrid to more of a free range Ironfly bot. I mentioned this briefly in my last video, but overall the free range has simply been doing the best since April. No matter what iteration of the Ironfly that I use, the free range bot always seems to outperform everything else. This is why I'm going with this particular bot. So this is what my free range bot is going to look like. So if I click here and then come up to settings, you can see what's going on here. So first of all, this is going to open an Ironfly, 10 strikes wide at noon, except it's going to only enter on a Tuesday or a Thursday. And so that's what this action or decision action is representing. If it can open a new position, it's after 11:45, which means it's noon. That's the first time it'll open. And then my pause entry button is turned off. And either of these conditions are true. It's either Tuesday or it's Thursday. Okay, so it's going to open this particular Ironfly and the same, the same setup as before at the money, 10 strikes wide, all right? And it's going to open this Ironfly and it's going to automatically put in these exit options. So what these exit options are right here. It's just going to take profit at 50% or 2 hours before expiration. Now, I'm not exactly set on the 2 hours before expiration. I might exit early. I'm not sure, but I do have that carryover from the free range bot. I also have these inputs. Removing the overnight risk is on, and what this is since my profit taking is at 50%, if the bot is, or the position is at 45% or higher in profit and the market's about to close, then it will just simply close out for this, 45 plus percentage, rather than risking all of that and holding overnight and, the market go against my position. So that's what that is. All right. So that's what I'm doing with this free range Ironfly bot. And I'll show you why over in the Google Sheet. So in this Google Sheet, what you can see are three different plots of the free range Ironfly. And in red, this is the traditional Ironfly where I enter every day. In green, I'm only entering Monday, Wednesday, or Friday. And then in blue, it's only entering on Tuesday or Thursday. So you can see the profit and loss totals. This is since the beginning of April. You can also see the win rates displayed down here in the percentage, or also in the donut chart. And you can see $5,182 as opposed to the lower amounts, about half if you just enter in every other day, either a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule or a Tuesday, Thursday schedule. However, the Tuesday, Thursday schedule seems to be a little bit more appealing to me for a couple of reasons. One, in this test, you can see that there's a higher profitability. Secondly, there's a slightly higher win rate. And the third thing that's not really shown here, but something that I've learned in my previous testing, is that you don't have as many positions open at one time. So with a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you're going to potentially have 4 positions open at max. With a Tuesday, Thursday, you would have 3 positions open at max, unless that 50% price target was hit. Now, if we look at the same set of data, but instead of just letting it go until 2 hours before expiration, but we actually take profit at 50%, this is what the data would look like. Okay, and so we see here, again, entering every day, $5,197. So it's about the same as if you just let it go 2 hours before expiration. So where there's a difference is the Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you can see that it's $2,100 in profit, which is down than compared to just leaving it open until 2 hours before expiration, even though the win rate is identical. So in this case, in this small data set, you're losing, or you're not winning as much money by taking profit at 50%. But on Tuesday and Thursday, that iteration, the one in blue, the profitability increases, as does the win rate, if you take profit at 50%. So that's why I'm going with this one right now in my live bot. free range iron fly entering only Tuesday and Thursdays, and then exiting at 50% profit, or on, letting it go 2 hours before expiration. So be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you can see the results of this alternating free range iron fly bot over on Option Alpha. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.